I'm going to use this portrait drawing process to show you, doesn't matter what object you are drawing, it's very much the same process. From the outside, getting inside, all those things that you draw on the paper is going to need to be part of your drawing, okay? So like this, and I'm going to come in over here, and I think about, oh, okay, that's the face over here. I'm pretty good, feeling pretty good with this already, and pretty good with the shape. And you're going to keep all the mark on the paper, okay? Don't have to erase them, okay? Right, like that. I'm going to start add a little bit shadow. So we're going to talk about shadow, light, and very soon. As soon as we know how to measure pretty well, and then as you're going to get into a little bit more and more technique through the semester, you're going to be very good and going to have lots of fun drawing. So drawing the portrait is no different than drawing a bottle. Also doing over here, I'm going to have been talking about the shadow. And so I'm going to have this coming down the shoulder relate to the chin. Now just like you are drawing the bottle. So I'm going to relate that over here to the shoulder. And here you go, like that. So after taking off the rough outside, we're going to go a little bit into the inside. So what I'm seeing here is just the hairline. And by the end of the semester, I'm going to teach you how to draw people. Okay, so start from a little bit simple object and go a little bit more and more complicated as we go, and to build up your confidence. Now the next thing I'm going to do, take a look at the eyebrow, and the eyebrow over here. And then the shadow on the nose, you can see that? That's just the shadow. And that's the cast shadow. And coming onto this side. And see that? This is the eyebrow to the nose, the bottom of the nose is the same as from the nose to the chin. That's a proportion. You have to find out, and then you can do that really quickly. And then the eye sitting over here. And I know that the eye is about 1/3 from the eyebrow to the bottom of the nose. Yeah, look at that eye, beautiful. Now take a look on this side. Also, putting the eye right over here, looking at this. Okay, here you go. And then take a look at the mouth, and the mouth sitting right here, and proportionally you can see that is the mouth is sitting in the middle, almost the middle, the lower lip of the mouth and the corner of the mouth over here, and the upper lip sitting right in here, and it's the shadow underneath. I think about shadow, shadow, shadow. It's very important to knowing how the shadow would help to create a form. So that will be what we're going to talk about next week, about shadowing. So make sure that you're okay with everything we are learning so far. Okay, if you need to do a little bit more exercise, do a little bit more exercise, and before we accumulate too much thing to try to figure it out. So if you know each of the technique that we are learning so far, and you're going to get very good. And drawing will become your second nature. And then put the shadow over here, and then take a look, come back over here, take a look at this light side of this, and coming over here like that, and then the cast shadow on the neck, and come back over here to refine the cast shadow, and take a look at the hair. I'm going to put this a little bit darker, coming down, and here you go. Yeah, this is pretty good. Like that. And take a look at the shoulder over here. I'm gonna have a little bit here. Use the charcoal like this way to define the hair, the texture of the hair. Now I'm gonna have a few hair coming down like this. Okay, this is good. So this will be the end of the quick portrait drawing. If you would like to learn drawing and painting portrait, come to Patreon. We will learn together.